where do you see the company going over the next 5 to 10 years? Let's walk through funding. So why does a company like yours need to raise? First of all, how much money did you raise, and then why did you need to raise that much money in the dental space to do to fulfill your vision?
Yeah, I mean, in total, we raised over $170 million as a company so far. And the reason we needed to raise so much money is really what I was talking about earlier, right? The type of work that we do, which is integrating with all these different systems, with all sorts of data format. One and second is also, our ability to push and pull data every 30 seconds. So how good the integration is and how complex it is, and then also being able to then scale all of it to now close to 70 million patient records just requires a lot of engineering talent. And I don't mean some like programmer out there in I don't know, like India or something, right? I mean like real Silicon Valley talent. For example, our
It's a
engineering.
complicated problem.
Yeah. Like our engineering team comes from like former Tesla and whatnot, right? And those engineers are also like very expensive. So we need a large team. We need a really really good team, and we need a lot of senior engineers as well. And they're expensive, and we just needed to raise the money to invest into the product and keep scaling it. Yeah,
that's awesome. So what's your vision? Like, where do you see the company going over the next 5 to 10 years?
5 to 10 years from now, hopefully we're at a point, where we have thousands of different types of software products powered by us, right? So think about Swell, Quip, TrueLark. Some companies you might not even heard of because they're startups and they're just starting out, right? So the existing ecosystem that we have out there, somehow working with us, and we get to make their lives and their engineers' lives easier, when it comes to building their products. And then of course, the DSOs, the dental offices, the independent ones, especially, our ability to go and work with them, digitize their offices, streamline their operations, save them a lot of money, save them a lot of staff hours, and also give their patients a good experience, right? So we're hoping we have a majority market share when it comes to both sides of it. That's one, and the second one, I think that's going to be even more exciting for us is really two things. So one is we want to be able to make it really really easy for tech companies, entrepreneurs, founders to start companies in the dental space, right? So if you have an idea, right, and you want to go build that idea, we want to have the funding for you. We want to make the incorporation process easy for you, and we want to give you the technology that we have to make it easy for you to build your product, right? And then take that same concept and then apply it to dental offices as well, right? So if you're just graduating from dental school, we also want to make it really really easy and simple for you to start your own practice. So that could include funding, that could include like taking care of all of your legal work, that could include even finding office space for you. So yeah, I mean, do we in 5 to 10 years from now, do we not only hope to have majority market share, when it comes to the existing dental space, and then the existing tech companies out there that are working with us, but also, we want to make the process of starting new offices, we want to start the process of starting new tech companies in this space extremely simple, extremely easy.